Hi, we're back at Springwood Inn. I'm Carolyn Orchid, and it's fall, my favorite time of year, and probably a lot of you also. The weather couldn't be better, and it's time to decorate. Not just for fall, but I'm thinking about the end of the month. I'm thinking about Halloween, one of our favorite and most fun holidays. I'd really like it if you would help me set my table. I'm having guests come in, John and Denise from Savannah, two really great friends of ours that are coming today. Stay with us for a couple nights, and we're going to have hors d'oeuvres outside here on the porch because the weather's so wonderful. And then we're going to go inside and we're going to have dinner in there. Both times I'm going to try to make it fun and decorate for Halloween. So please help me. Okay, so here we are. I've gotten a few things together. We're going to have the hors d'oeuvres out here, as I said, and I'm just going to use a little at a time. So first things first, I'm going to put a tablecloth on this table because this is where we're going to be having our hors d'oeuvres. Just like this. Table looks so much better when you dress it up just a little bit. So I have a cute little owl that I found. Yeah, let's use him, okay? And I'm thinking I'll put him on this black charger right in the middle, just like that. It'll be cute. I like to collect things, you can see that, and if I see something I really like, then I'm going to use it. I love these little pumpkin candle holders. I'm going to put them around because as it gets a little bit dark this evening, then we're going to want some candle. Weather's changing, and we need that. Well, it's going to be daylight savings time very soon. Okay, now I have also some, you see these? Aren't they cute with the spiders? In the back, I put a little tea candle, so that's going to give us some cute candlelight also. So I'll put them there, all right? What else do I have? I have some really cute little Halloween plates that I found, and I'm thinking, shall I just use them like this, or shall I put a charger under them? Nope. You know why? I want this to be casual. So I'm not going to use a charger. I'm just going to use these little plates and put one for each one of us. My husband, myself, Denise, and John. I can't wait till they come. I love Savannah, and I'm excited to have this couple that we know very well. Okay, have you used Ostomeria before? I think it's like the easiest flower to use. I did some large ones up here in this vase, but I also took these cute little vases and just took snippets of that off and made little arrangements. They're darling. Going to put them here because we want to make it even more festive. How's it looking? Does it look like you might want to sit here? I hope so. I'd love to have you right here at our Springwood Inn. That would be really a lot of fun. You would enjoy it, trust me. Okay. There we go so far. Now, we don't need napkins today. I mean, we do need napkins, I'm sorry. We don't need silverware because we're doing hors d'oeuvres. So we're just going to use a napkin right beside each one. Definitely need that. All I want is for my guests to really have fun. So this is called tablescaping. And tablescaping is designing your table, setting a mood really. What kind of mood do you want your table to project? I'm wanting it to project a fun Halloween feeling. So we need some glasses. I thought I used these red ones These could be used for water or they could be used for wine. So I'm going to put one of those up for each one of us. Here we go. Now what else do we need? Oh, well, I have some cute little pumpkins. I put them around if I want to. Sure, why not? Just wherever I think I might like one. Right there. That looks good. And now, I have these 2 plates, all right? And you know what I'm going to do with them? And also this one, I'm going to use these for my hors d'oeuvres. I told you I collected things, and I do. So I'm going to take some cheese and cracker and put it on this witch plate. That'll be ready so John can sit there and help himself. And I made these cute little, this is just the easiest thing in the world, these little phyllo hors d'oeuvres. And I'm going to put them here. And I'll put this over for Denise, okay? But see how cute it is? Easy to make. And maybe they're going to want a little bit of candy. One never knows. I think you should always have a little bit of Halloween candy around. And so I'm going to actually take this, and if I can open it, I hope I can. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit in here. And I'm going to put it on the table. I think I'll put it over beside Bob. I know he likes Halloween candy corn. And I have a vase. I can put extra water in here if I would want, or I don't think I'll put wine in because the wine will just be sitting up here. But that's about it. I hope that you like this table. I hope that you come to Springwood Inn and that you can actually see what we do here because it's quite fun. Thank you.